Hello friends, in today's video I will explain about kingdom fungi. Fungi is the unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. They show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. The common mushroom we eat and toadstools are also fungi. White spots seen on mustard leaves are due to a parasitic fungus. Some unicellular fungi that yeast is used to make bread and beer. Other fungi cause diseases in plants and animals. Wheat rust causing Puccinia is an important example. Fungi are filamentous. Their bodies consist of long, slender thread-like structures called hyphae. The network of hyphae is known as mycelium. All fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrates and hence are called saprotrophic. Those that depend on living plants and animals are called parasites. They can also live as symbionts, in association with algae as lichens and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhiza. Reproduction in fungi can take place by vegetative means, fragmentation, fission, and budding. Asexual reproduction is by spores called conidia or sporangiospores or zoospores, and sexual reproduction is by oospores, ascospores, and basidiospores. The sexual cycle involves the following three steps. 1. Fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes called plasmogamy. 2. Fusion of two nuclei called karyogamy. 3. Meiosis in zygote resulting in haploid spores. Let's learn different divisions of fungi. Division: Phycomycetes. Members of phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores, motile, or by aplanospores, non-motile. These spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. Sexual reproduction by fusion of two gametes. These gametes are similar in morphology, isogamous, or dissimilar, anisogamous or oogamous. Examples are mucor, rhizopus, the bread mold, and albugo, the parasitic fungi on mustard. Division: Ascomycetes. They commonly known as sac fungi. The Ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. It includes penicillium, yeast, Saccharomyces. The asexual spores are conidia produced exogenously on the special mycelium called conidiophores. Sexual spores are called ascospores which are produced endogenously in sac-like asci, singular ascus. These asci are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies called ascocarps. Some examples are Aspergillus, claviceps, and Neurospora. Neurospora is used extensively in biochemical and genetic work. Many members like morels and truffles are edible and are considered delicacies. Division: Basidiomycetes or club fungi. They are commonly known forms of basidiomycetes are mushrooms, bracket fungi, or puffballs. The asexual spores are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. Karyogamy and meiosis take place in the basidium producing 4 basidiospores. Some common members are agaricus, mushroom, eustallago, smut, and Puccinia, rust fungus. Division: Deuteromycetes. Also known as imperfect fungi because only the asexual or vegetative phases of these fungi are known. When the sexual forms of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into classes they rightly belonged to. Once perfect, sexual stages of members of Deuteromycetes were discovered, they were often moved to Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. The Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spores known as conidia. Some members are saprotrophic or parasites while a large number of them are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling. Some examples are Alternaria, Colletotricum, and Trichoderma. Subscribe for more educational videos.